Hello, friends. This is Natasha and the Cryptemic Academy. In this episode, briefly, but with key context on the most important events. Stay with us. Arctic cold has shut down 110 exahashes per second in the USA. Due to extreme frosts, miners temporarily reduced their load, and blocks slowed down to approximately 12 minutes. The networks held up thanks to flexible consumption programs. The USA once again demonstrated the role of mining in balancing energy systems. Japan may allow crypto ETFs by 2028. Nomura and SBI are preparing for the first launch after regulatory approval. This will bring Japan closer to the USA and Canada in terms of institutional access to crypto. Silver has risen by 12.5% in a day. The market is shifting from derivatives to physical metal amid demand from energy and electronics. Some analysts are talking about the beginning of a long-term trend. Coin-own lists Cent paired with KRW. South Korean investors are gaining direct fiat access to the Sentinel token, DVPN. The listing underwent a strict compliance selection. Binance is reducing margin pairs. From January 30th, a number of low-liquidity BTC pairs will be disabled. Users are advised to close positions in advance to avoid auto-liquidations. Tether launches USAT for the USA. The new stablecoin fully complies with the Genius Act and is issued through American banks. It is a direct competitor to USDC and a shift for Tether towards an onshore model. VanEck has launched a spot ETF on Avalanche. The VAVX fund provides regulated access to AVAX and potential staking rewards. The fee is temporarily waived for early investors. ASIC considers crypto a perimeter issue. Australia's regulator is shifting focus to licensing and regulatory boundaries. In 2026, compliance will be the key factor, not the market cycle. South Korea is preparing a foundational law on digital assets. Stablecoin issuers will require capital of 5 billion won. A unified council on virtual assets is being created to respond to crises. Ethereum has introduced ERC 8004 for AI agents. The new standard will allow AI systems to interact across organizations through verifiable on-chain mechanisms. This is the foundation for the future AI economy on Ethereum. PwC, AI is being used, but profits are not growing. 56% of CEOs did not see a financial effect due to superficial implementation. ROI only appears with the restructuring of processes and delegation of complex tasks. Russia is preparing a limit of $4,000 per year for crypto. The bill introduces strict restrictions for retail and mandatory registration of exchanges. Critics fear the growth of the P2P gray market. The UAE is integrating crypto into insurance. Insurance premiums and payouts are now possible in digital assets with institutional custody. Crypto is becoming part of everyday financial services. OpenAI is preparing a social network without bots. The focus is on proof of personhood and real accounts. The project could directly challenge X and Meta, but raises privacy concerns. This brings our episode to a close. Do you think stablecoins like USAT and government initiatives in the UAE will become the new norm for financial services? Will the ETF on Avalanche pave the way for other L1s? And is the market ready for social networks with mandatory identity verification? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to dive deeper into crypto trends and learn to work confidently with assets, join the Cryptemic Academy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.